Hi, Ben here. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add your samples to FL Studio. First, let's find a folder with the samples we wish to add and open it. As you can tell, I have sample packs from multiple different sources here, but that doesn't matter. As long as they are in the same folder, we can just add them simultaneously to FL Studio. Now, let's copy the folder's path by marking it and pressing Ctrl C. Then let's go back into FL Studio and click Options and then File Settings. Choose one of the free slots here and paste it. Now if you want, you can change how it will appear in the browser by writing something else here. Another way you can add samples is by clicking on one of these tiny icons here. I just find this way to be a little more tedious though. When you're done, you can just close it and your samples should appear here. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, you can leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Like and subscribe for more FL Studio tutorials and don't forget to click the bell button and turn on the notifications.